Shelby from JB here to let you know that Dyson have done it again. The absolute best in home cleaning is back at it with a brand new cutting edge model, the Dyson WashG1 Wet Floor Cleaner. This is Dyson's first ever dedicated wet floor cleaner, and it packs a punch, being able to tackle both wet and dry debris in one go. Let's take a closer look and run through what makes the WashG1 awesome. So look, most of us vacuum our houses pretty regularly. No judgment if you don't, and while most people know that wet cleaning is important for hygiene and stain removal, it can be a pretty strenuous task. That's where the Dyson WashG1 comes in, removing the hassle of smearing dirt all over the floor while you mop. As far as cleaning horsepower goes, the WashG1 has heaps with highly absorbent motorized rollers. We know that suction for wet cleaners can lead to some pretty unpleasant smells, so the engineers at Dyson have taken a different approach. The WashG1 doesn't use suction. Instead, it has a new system of 2 counter-rotating rollers, which has 64,800 filaments per centimetre squared. These highly dense rollers powerfully pick up spills, dry debris and hair. The WashG1 has 26 hydration points that are distributed across the roller for even water application. Plus, it also comes with 3 cleaning modes, so you can set the hydration level to suit your cleaning tasks, from small spills to tough stains. And it's easy to use and move with. For optimised manoeuvrability, Dyson engineers fine-tuned each motor to spin at a consistent speed in accordance with the hydration mode selected. This allows the machine to glide effortlessly while cleaning is in progress. Adopting technology from the Dyson OmniGlide, casters provide additional balance and weight support, while the low cleaner head allows for easy reach underneath furniture. And Dyson's pioneering separation technology makes for easy maintenance. This unique separation technology divides debris and dirty water at source for hygienic, no-touch disposal. Dirty water is extracted from the rollers by durable extraction plates, while secondary nylon bristled inner brush bars remove dirt and debris from the microfiber rollers, flicking it straight into a removable debris tray. Plus, the self-cleaning mode at the end even gets it all ready to go for the next cleaning sesh. The Dyson WashG1 Wet Cleaner is a massive game changer to home cleaning. To ensure your floors are hygienic and stain-free by a simple yet powerful machine, don't shy away from what was once a dreaded chore. The Dyson WashG1 has got you covered. To check one out for yourself and make one yours, hop into your local JB, and of course, you can always shop online at jbhifi.co.nz.